Welcome students on the second lecture on the subject of Marketing Management Special Paper 3. In this lecture we are going to begin with the Unit 1 Advertising 1. Under that we will see fundamentals of advertising. In the previous lecture I have given brief introduction on the subject where you must have understood all the chapters that we are going to study. In this lecture, first see what points we are going to be discussing. As you can see, first we will talk about meaning and nature of advertising, and then we will study role of advertising in the modern business. So let's begin this lecture by understanding what is meant by advertising. Advertising is a mass communication of information intended to persuade buyers to buy a product. From this first sentence, you can understand that advertiser, while advertising about a product, communicates with the large number of people at a time. That is why it is mass communication. The purpose of the advertisement is to give information about the product to the people. The second paragraph says advertising is a marketing tactic involving paying for space to promote a product, service, or a cause. The actual promotional messages are called advertisements or ads for short. The goal of advertising is to reach people most likely to be willing to pay for a company's products or services. In the second paragraph, we can understand that under marketing, advertising is one of the tools that is used to promote the product or service, and the goal is to reach people, those people who are willing to pay for our products or those people who want to buy our product. In simple words, it is a paid announcement as of goods for sale in newspapers or magazines, on radio or television, or on the internet. A public notice, especially in print, the action of making generally known, a calling to the attention of the public. Now we will see nature of advertising. Advertising, as I said, is a mass communication where the purpose is to inform people about the products and services of the advertiser. So the first point here is that advertising is commercial by nature. It is commercial because it is said that advertising is always in paid form. That is, it is a commercial transaction which has to be paid for. Therefore, any sponsored communication designed to influence buyers' behavior is said to be advertising because an advertiser pays for it. Second point, communication process. As we saw in the meaning, advertising is a mass communication process as it reaches large number of customers together. It also tries to convince the customer to buy the products or services which are advertised by the advertiser, which helps to increase the satisfaction of the consumers and gives an opportunity to the sponsors to earn profit. That is why it is a communication process. Third point is advertising is an identified communication. It is an identified communication because the advertiser of the product signs his or her name on the advertisement for the purpose of publicizing his identity. So whenever we see some advertisement in the newspaper or on the television, we are able to identify the product which is advertised. Fourth point is, it is a technique of marketing. Advertisement is known as an important tool or technique of marketing as it helps in selling the products, ideas, and services of an identified sponsor through the media. Next, fifth point, sales message. As we know, advertising is a mass communication of information which seeks to sell ideas, goods, and services on behalf of paying sponsor through the use of persuasion. So every advertisement always includes a sales message that it urge people to buy the product. Last point is mass persuader. While creating awareness and popularity of the product, it seeks to persuade buyers to buy the product. Now, the word persuade basically means to follow someone or to keep reminding someone. So, here we can say that advertisement keeps reminding people or it follows people wherever they go. It is the most effective, widespread, and less costly way of establishing contact with number of customers than through the salesmanship. So here all these 6 points explains nature of advertising. Now let's see what is the role of advertising in modern business. In the introductory part, you can see the main role of advertising is to find out a target market, attracting it towards the products or services, and persuading them to buy these products or service. Several other roles include making customers aware of the products, encouraging them to buy products, increasing standard of living, and providing mutual benefits. All this leads to increase in sales and thereby boost the business. So we can say the role of advertising in modern business is very much important, and without advertising no business can sustain in this competitive world. Now one by one we will see all the points which highlights role of advertising in the modern business. So the first role is increases sale. Now it is quite common to understand that the basic purpose of advertising is obviously to increase the sales of the products. Advertising makes the customer aware of the products or services available in the market, and that is why it plays a significant role in creating the demand and increasing the sale. Second point, provides employment. Today, almost every company is advertising its products in some or the other way. Due to this, in the advertising industry, thousands of peoples are employed. Third point, saves time. Advertising plays a significant role in facilitating the consumer to select the product according to their requirement within the less time. So the time is saved on the part of consumer, that is they don't have to keep searching or keep looking for the product that they require, because he has been already informed about the standard of different products through advertisement. The customer takes purchase decision in less time. Thus, time of the customer in making purchase decision is saved. Fourth point, introduces new products. Advertising plays an important role in introducing new products in the market. This reduces the risk of failure of the new product, because the advertiser can advertise the product in such a way that will persuade the customers and attract them to try new products. Therefore, new products can be introduced in the market within a short time through advertisement. Fifth point, establishes goodwill. Advertising plays an important role in establishing reputation and goodwill of the company. Every company wants to establish its goodwill in the market, and advertising helps in that. Sixth point, encourages competition. Advertising plays a significant role in encouraging competition among the producers. So there is a huge competition in the quality and price of the product. Due to this, customers get high quality products in the market. Seventh point, reduces cost. Advertising increases the sale and encourages production of the goods on a large scale. Due to large scale economies, cost of production decreases. Eighth point, changes the standard of living. As you know, advertising plays a significant role in bringing greater change in the habits, attitudes, and standard of living of the people. Due to advertising, people become aware of the good quality of products and so they purchase them. This leads to increase in the standard of living of the people. Ninth point, increases profit. Advertising plays a significant role in increasing the sale of the products and thereby total profit of the manufacturer. Due to this, it can be said that advertising is a profitable investment. Last point, number 10, helps the salesman. Advertising plays an important role in making the salesman's job easier. There is no need of explaining the qualities of the product to the consumer as it is already advertised and the consumers are made aware about them. Through advertising, customer is already well informed about the nature of the product. Therefore, salesman can sell the product without much effort. So, I am sure you must have understood the role of advertising in the modern business. Thank you.